So let's learn BP sales master field by field. Let's try to check how exactly price group works in S4 HANA sales. This is the same field you can able to find in your ECC also. Okay. So let me try to check any one of the BP. Okay. We'll try to do some scenario. Okay. So what should I do? Let's go for this BP and let's try to choose my role as this one and sales and distribution. And let's try to check. So order tab. So this is called price group. For example, you can able to see this 01, 02, C1, C2. So you can able to see this. He can be regular buyer or occasional buyer. That's what he is talking about. He can be bulk buyer also. Okay. So what exactly the price group is going to decide? Okay. So let me try to open Excel so that I can check. Okay. Let's try to check sales group. Okay. So this is fine. So what, sorry, this is price group. Sales group already discussed. So for example, you have uh, bulk buyers of customer list is there. And you have buyers, let me put it, medium buyers in terms of the quantity he's selling. Okay. And you have something called small buyers. Okay. These are your customers. So what happens? Your bulk buyers has a lot of, you know, competitiveness in between for to generate sales. For example, they are like somewhere like 1,000 bulk buyers. These guys are somewhere 2,000. This is somewhere small players 5,000. Okay. So basically, as I said that uh, tea manufacturing is our product. Okay. So bulk buyers, they are buying in tons. They are in somewhere hundreds of kgs. They are in a small 10 kilo quantities they are buying. Okay. So assume that all these are the three different distributors. What price group is the parameter? For example, if I say that these guys are belongs to Z01, these guys belongs to Z02, and these guys belongs to Z03. Okay. If I would like to run a promotion, okay, for maybe festival season, 2 or 3 days, or else complete uh, Christmas for before Christmas and within Christmas, 15 days, or else in a specific individual day, if I would like to run promotion for all these three players, I can able to run it. Or else it can be your country wise, or else within the country, it can be region wise, or else it can be something like you can able to take group wise. Okay, so group is this bulk buyer. So for bulk buyers, if you would like to run a promotion, okay, I will take my sales uh, uh, pricing requirement combination sales or and I'll take group as Z01. So if I take the discount will be applicable for bulk buyers only. In the similar way, I can able to do it for medium buyers and small buyers or occasional buyers. It is different name. So what you have to think in terms of pricing. Like for example, they are not going to say that what kind of players they have. Suppose if you are gathering the customer requirement for this, you just have to analyze their business. If they would like to separate any discount based on the group, you can able to use the pricing group actually. Okay. So let's try to do one simple example. We'll take some list of customers. So maybe I can say that, metro buyers, that means in metro cities. Okay. So like, town buyers, I'll just giving an example. And third one is, so small town, okay? Rather than the small town or villages. I can able to take, these are the three different pricing groups, okay? Before that, I just know who are all my customers, okay? So maybe this partner function, if I see this here, this customer I can able to take, let's go to KNVB, okay? So maybe like, let me try to, let me put it, my sales organization. So let's try, I'll get the list of customers, okay? Probably I can take all these customers, okay, to run the scenario. So basically, this is part of pricing. Since pricing I have already explained, if you really wanted to explore, okay, so I can able to show you a couple of courses. This is basic course, around 2000 plus students subscribed, and this is one of the top course if you would like to learn S/4HANA sales pricing. Never worried about ratings. Okay, so just try this course with complete PowerPoint presentation. You can try these two courses. It will be helpful to you learn pricing deeper. Okay, so this is just this is up to your interest how you would like to go it. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, I have all these customers, so probably I can able to do it. So let's try to define price group configuration. Where exactly you can able to find it out. Okay, so let's come here. We got all our customers for promotion. So HPRO, reference IMC. So just simply go to the sales and distribution, and here you go, basic functions. Let's go for pricing. Within the pricing, okay, so let's come here. Uh, okay, price relevant master data fields. Here, you can able to define actually price group for customers and materials also. So the current context we are looking for BP, then I'm just trying to explain this price groups. You can able to see this. This is what you find at the time of checking BP in drop down. Okay, so maybe I can take uh, D1. Okay, so like metro bias. I can able to define, right? Yeah. So D2, this is something like town buyer. Okay. D3, small town or village. Okay. Well, so village, that I will keep it. Okay. And D4, others. Okay. For remaining people also, I can able to run the promotion. Here you can able to see this corporate buyers and government employees and private buyers and government, like that also you can able to do it. Let's keep it as of now. So this is what our segregation. Let's come here. Now let's try to run the scenario. Okay. Let's put it D1 for these two customers, D2 for these two customers. This is for D3. Okay, let's try to experiment it. How do you do that? You can able to do it individually or else by using mass also. So let's save it. Let's go to the BP now. Okay, let's click. Uh, so you know the customers. So you would like to know the customer who is belongs to which BP. That's the question, right? So this I have already explained you, but still I can show you. Version, let's see, 16N. So now go to, so let's go to this place. Okay. So I can able to copy all my customers so that I can able to get my GUID ID. This I have already explained. Probably you can able to check in my YouTube, or else all these scenarios I have explained as part of the PP. Okay. So let's come here, just execute it. So let's copy this GUID. Okay. Now go to BUT 000. Okay. Controller. Let's put it GUID. So let's copy here. Okay. All good. Execute, so that we'll get our PPs. Okay. We can, so if you have simple, then you can go and check one by one also. That is different story, but I don't want to do that at least. Okay. So let's try to come here. Okay. Let's try to keep the BPs here. Okay. How many are there? 5 BPs are there. So let's try to check one by one. Okay. So now come here. Who is my first BP? That's by PP number. Okay. So let's enter. So welcome T promoters. Is just go to this place order and change. Let's try to assign this person for price group as, so D1. He is a metro buyer. Okay, you can save it. I will show you one by one. Don't worry. This is a little deeper scenario. Okay, I cannot leave you by field. Okay, let's put it FOB and number. Let's try to fill all the required fields. So this is practice system, right? Someone will put something. Don't worry. So let's save this. Okay, all good. And who is the partner? This is the partner. Okay, let's come back. So we highlighted this person. Okay, with D1. Now let's try to check for this BP. Okay, come back to the SAP again. So let's try to choose it. I'm just trying to fill the, what I would say, pricing group for all these business partners. Okay, this guy also D1, bulk buyer, and let's try to double check the partner function. Okay, this guy is 3-1. So all good. This, you must have patience for learning. Okay, so if you don't have patience, you're not going to get nothing. Some people, if they don't have patience, also they will get everything that their luck. Okay, so let me try to check another BP. So I want BP number only here. So 3, 4, 6. Let's go to the 3. All good. So this customer, yeah. So let's try to put it, this guy as D2. Okay. So single field, this much explanation will be there. Don't worry about this one. Okay. Next, go to 4. Okay. So this guy is 33. Okay. So let me check, double check. So also 32 we have already done. D2, 33 also we are going to do now. This person also D2. So in real time, what happens? They will give the data what you have to maintain. Here, if you would like to run the scenario and test system, you have to work on your phone. Okay, so that's fine. 6. So let's check the partner function. Okay, this guy is 34. And let's try to run this guy as D3. Okay, so this data is sufficient. Now we need to set up a pricing. Okay, so first, this is useful for pricing group to differentiate your discounts and a certain kind of prices certain a time. If you take base price also will be fixed in certain projects. Okay, but certain price group we would like to allocate tax. Okay, for example, government place they don't have tax, or else your internal employees can be have different offers if you're selling products. Okay, so such a case, so you require a price group. Let's try to check this one first. How the customer price group will be applicable. Let's go to header. You can able to see this guy is town buyers. Okay, so in the similar way, let's try to put it. Okay, 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 all good, all good, all good. Okay, so I have changed it to this person. Uh, that's see metro buyer. This guy is, you can see in header also, no problem. So you can able to see this item also, customer pricing group, metro buyers. So now I would like to run a promotion based on price group. What you have to do? You have to follow the same condition technique. Don't ask me what is condition technique, because I have already explained in my two pricing courses. You can able to see this. Let's come to basic functions. Go to the pricing control. Let's try to capture our requirements as in the form of the condition tables. Okay, probably you can able to reutilize existing tables, but I don't want to do it. I will define my one. Okay, so maybe I can do it 9991. So here, uh, let's take VKORG. You can take any combination for that matter, depends on your customer requirement. So let's try to check customer. Let's go to the top. So let's take this customer price group. Okay, so this is one thing I can able to do it. Okay, based on price group, whoever falls under my customers in that umbrella, the discount will be applicable. That is also one thing is there. Okay, this is one of my requirement. Okay, for a total group, I would like to run it. Let's save this. Okay, this is one thing. And I would like to, I am having one more requirement for my customer. Okay, this is again BKORG sales org. I'm taking. Let me take distribution channel also for this. If I wanted to run it. So this is one of the requirement so we don't want a division distribution channel. Okay. So let's try to, okay. Okay, I'm taking a customer price group, all good. Okay. And I want to allocate MATNR, specific materials if I would like to run. Okay. That also I can able to do it. So let me take this. So this is how we have to capture the requirements. Okay. So if you would like to learn deeper, you can try my courses. That is different story. But let's try to understand this. How we can able to explore the scenario by using this pricing. Okay, all good. So next, I'll try to define access sequence. So go to ZPRG, okay, pricing group discounts, or else scenario, you can keep it. Okay, so let's select it and let's go for new entries. This is a simple thing, need not worry about. I-90, I-91. Yeah, this is what I have taken. And second one is 992. Okay. So currently I'm not discussing about how. So actually it is supposed to be came below of this combination. So supposed to be, let me put it, no problem. Okay, more specific to more generic. Okay, let's change. Nothing will happen. Let's try to determine our field logic. So this is for further. I'm just showing you for logic. So I think you better aware of this, how the access sequence, field determination, and what is exclusion. Okay. Let's place this. Come back. This is time to determine your condition type. You can able to give either fixed value or else you can able to define your, what I would say, percentage also. Here I'm just running the simple scenario. Okay. Well, let me copy any condition type. What is the point to define everything? Okay. So let me put it, this K0001, I'm just copying. Okay. So as D000, so like otherwise DO GP. Okay. Customer group discount. Let's put it. Okay. Let's go for it. We want this is fine. And let me try to assign the access sequence. So what is we have defined? One second, let me check. So this one is JAD PRG. This is what I have defined. Let's save this. So I have saved this one. One second, let me share the right screen. Okay, this is the place where I have DOGP and this is copied and all these are fine. So probably I can able to utilize the same condition type as a group discount. So I will not allow you to make any changes. Not possible to change anything manually. Okay, so let's save this. Now it's time to place this condition type in our pricing procedure. Okay. So this is all good. Just close this. Okay. Let's choose this. That pricing procedure, I don't want to know, I don't want to define any new pricing procedure. I can able to place the same thing in standard pricing procedure. Let's click here. Okay. In so maybe like he has taken all these condition types. Okay. Let me try to go below. Any gap is there. Place this condition type. 111. Okay, maybe let me try to put it 130, 113. Okay. So what is the condition type? ZPRG. No, this is okay, DOPC. Okay, no problem if you forgot also. Okay, so let's put it. This is a discount and it is not manual. It is okay. All these are good. So let's try to save this. System is a bit slow. So pricing process determination I have already done for this. So there is no point to show you again. So let's try to go to PK11 for condition records. Let's try to put it DOGP. Okay, now you can able to see the key combinations, right? I'm just going for this one. Okay, let's try to maintain this. Okay, so what are all we have? D1, D2, D3. We have taken for master data, D4 I don't require. Let's try to maintain this one as 10%, this one as 7%, this one as 5%. Okay, so we maintain condition record. Let's try to go for the test actually. Okay, so it is at header level. So based on your customer group, it has to give the discount. So it is asking for 10 kgs, no issues. Okay, based on our previous settings, you can able to see this 10% it is applied. Let's go to the sales B. So this is for metro buyers. That's what we maintain 10%. Now let's try to change it for another customer. Who is 32? Let's try to check first. Okay. So he is a town buyer. For town buyer, what we have maintained? We have maintained 7%. I think you got it, what I'm trying to explain. Okay. So if you have it out, you can able to see the scenarios. Metro customer. This guy also metro customer. Town. Okay. Town. This is small town. Okay. Let's try to check. Probably you can able to experiment it, what you want it on SAP. You have a freedom and practice system. You can try. This is how you have to learn field by field. Okay. Govinda T exporters. So let's try to check. See, 5% applied, right? Small town or village buyer. This is how you can able to run the scenario how you want it. Okay. For learning a single field, this much patience you require. So let me show you. If the end user changed manually on the system, what will happen? Okay. So small town buyer, it is changed to metro buyer. Okay. So still it will be 5% only. But until unless if you run a new pricing, then it will be changed to 10. Okay. So this is how you, certain times if end user done mistake by maintaining at the time of condition records or else manually has chosen the customer group, you can able to resolve issues at end user support also in support. Okay. So support is something different. Okay. If you really want, you can able to try these courses. These are the very two good courses on pricing. Okay. So you will not be disappointed. I will have a certain courses on idocs and getting master to write functional specification. All these courses based on who can able to uh, quickly perform real-time things. Okay. So this is my new course on S4 HANA. If you really want, you can able to try. This is for condition contract management. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Okay. You think that a price group is a small thing? It has a lot of importance. Yeah. So if you start working on pricing, you will enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.